In this video, I'm going to show you how to use and edit templates on CapCut desktop. The template feature was only available on mobile, but now also available on desktop. First, come to the left side of the screen after opening CapCut, and from the options, look for templates. And if yours is not showing, then let me know in the comments section. Now click on templates and you will get access to all the templates for you to use. So browse through and find what you want to edit. And also note that some of the template are pro, so not all of them are free to use. Now, after selecting the template you want to use, click on the Use Template button, and it will take you to CapCut editing space to edit it. And there is another way to access the templates feature, and it is in CapCut editing space itself. So let's go to Home and open a new project. So click on New Project to open a new editing window. After opening a new project, head to the Media panel, and on the Media panel toolbar, click on this small arrow here. And you will find the Templates tab here, so click on it. And same as the first, all templates will be here for you to use, so browse through them and find what you want to edit. After finding what you want to edit, just tap on the download icon to download it. Now, after downloading the template you want, just drag and drop it to the timeline. Now, the first thing we are going to do is to swap the footages in the templates with our own footage. And to do that, come and click on this in the middle of the template. And all the footages you will have to replace will appear right on top of the template. Now click on the icon in the middle of each clip, and it will take you to your PC and just select the video you want to use. So replace every video in the template with your own P2. And also, if you want a tutorial on how you can create your own template, then let me know in the comment section. And the last part is the audio. So in case you want to change the audio, so come to the Attribute panel and click on the Audio tab. Now, from here you can lower the volume of the video and audio. Then you can now add your own music. Then export your video and post it to the platform you tend to post it. So if this video was helpful, then kindly hit the like and the subscribe button. See you in the next tutorial.